Hi, my name's Stefan, I'm from Munns Instant Lawn, and today I'm going to show you how to plan for and establish a new lawn from seed. Now, the first stage of any project like this is the soil preparation. A good soil preparation will ensure your turf develops deep roots, which leads to better drought tolerance and durability. Now you can see that we've prepared this area by removing 100 millimetres of the existing soil. We've done this so that we can make room to bring in a layer of fresh sandy loam. The amount of soil that you need to remove can vary, so it really comes down to how good or bad your natural soil is. What we have here is sandy loam, and sandy loam is the best sort of topsoil to use, made of about 80% sand and 20% loam. That's the most common mix that you'll find. Now you'll find that some places will also mix in some compost and fertilisers, manures, things like that in with this mix. Helps hold extra nutrient and moisture in the soil while the lawn's establishing. But what we've got here today is what's called Callington loam. It's mined very close to where we grow our turf, and it's a perfect match for what we're doing here today. You can get sandy loam from just about any landscape supply yard around town. Today we got ours delivered from Budget Landscape Supplies. Okay, so now we've got the job of getting this pile of dirt into our prepared lawn area, so let's go. Okay, so what we've got here is a soil screed. It's kind of like a levelling rake, flat screed on a handle, and that really helps you to get your site nice and level. Getting your site level before laying your turf is definitely worth spending a bit of extra time doing. It makes a difference between an average job and a really nice looking job. It gets that really level finish. Simple tool to use. You can either buy them from a hardware store or hire them from your local hire shop, but definitely worth the effort. Once you finish levelling your soil, the finished soil height should be 10 mil below your edge. Now this allows a perfect amount of space for the seed to germinate and grow. We're going to sow some Munns lawn seed here today. I'd suggest that you mix it with some organic lawn food. We're using Munns organic lawn food, which is a certified organic fertiliser containing manures and seaweed and fish. When combined together, these two bags of goodness will help establish your lawn faster with less stress. Once the seed and fertiliser are spread, you'll need to rake them in. This is called cross raking. It will result in a criss-cross type pattern of little furrows. This way, when you water the seed, it'll work its way into the furrows and essentially stay put instead of washing away. Some of the seed will get buried and some will stay on the surface, but this is fine. I certainly wouldn't recommend burying the seed in another layer of soil. Okay, so there you have it. We've sown a beautiful Munns lawn seed here in this area today. The seed will typically take about 10 to 21 days to germinate and about 6 to 8 weeks to establish, from October to about April. Don't forget to water often though. A seed, when you've first sown it, will need to be watered 2 to 3 times a day, and if it's hot, maybe even more. The idea is never let the seed dry out during the germination process. You may also need to oversow at about 4 weeks. Oversowing just helps to thicken up areas which are thin because some birds ate it or it didn't germinate evenly. Sowing seed is a great way to establish a new lawn, and with a little patience you'll save yourself a stack of money. If you do find yourself needing a little help, give us a call or send us an email, where the team at Munns will always be happy to give you all the advice you need.